Good afternoon, colleagues. I would like to introduce you to a project that performs Bitcoin mining search using artificial intelligence. The main idea is to predict the range where a valid block solution is most likely to exist. What is the key advantage of this solution today? As you can see on the main page of the Solo Bitcoin Mining Pool platform, the project offers a distribution model where one found Bitcoin can be shared among users who are mining on the pool at that moment. Therefore, there is an opportunity for passive income from one Bitcoin, as well as an opportunity for active income by finding 2.125 Bitcoin using rented mining equipment. Today we will review how to rent mining equipment in order to start this process, monitor it, and wait for the block solution to be found. Let us take a look. Here on the pool website, you can read how equipment connection works, what settings are required to rent mining power, and which mining platforms can be used for this purpose. Now let us move to the first platform, which is one of the simplest and most convenient to use. There is a platform called MiningRigRentals that allows users to rent mining equipment. First, of course, you need to register. After registration and email confirmation, you go to the balance section of the platform. Do not forget to enable two-factor authentication. This is mandatory for account security. After that, you choose the cryptocurrency you want to use for the deposit. I usually top up the account with Dogecoin. The platform generates a wallet address for you and you can send funds to it through the Dogecoin network. You can also use a QR code or transfer the funds from a crypto exchange. Please note that the deposit is usually credited within approximately 15 minutes, as this is how the Dogecoin blockchain normally processes transactions. After the deposit is credited, you will have a certain amount available on your balance, which you can use to rent mining equipment. Next, go to the marketplace and select SHA256 ASIC. There is different information available here, but the important part is that you select payment in Dogecoin, then you sort the available rigs by hash rate from the highest to the lowest. For block search, it is generally preferable to choose equipment starting from approximately 1 petahash per second. As you can see, there are different prices for 3 hours, 120 hours, and other rental periods. At the moment, there are rigs with quite high speeds available. For the initial test, let us start with 1 pH per second. We can also choose 2 pH per second and higher, but for testing purposes, let us take 1 pH per second as an example. Here you can see different prices for 3 hours, 61 Doge, 123 Doge, and so on. The price depends on how each equipment owner offers their rig. The most convenient option for us is 1 pH/s for 3 hours at 61 Doge. There is also an option for 59 Doge, which is slightly cheaper. Let us choose the German region and click Rent Now. We choose payment in Dogecoin. Here you can increase or decrease the number of hours, but you cannot rent for less than 3 hours. Then click Next. At this step, you need to add your pool configuration. I already have the equipment settings entered, but if you are doing this for the first time, you need to enter the pool information from our website. You need to copy the pool address for AI mining from the website and also enter your Bitcoin wallet address. For example, this is the wallet address I want to use for the rented equipment at the moment. After that, you add the pool. You can add several pools if needed. In this example, I will remove the unnecessary one. Now I have the equipment settings and my wallet address entered. I click Next and start the rental. The equipment has now been rented. The next step is to check that it has actually connected and will continue mining during the 3-hour rental period. We can go to My Rentals and check the status. At the moment, I have several different devices connected. Here we can see the devices that are currently active, and we can see that the 1 pH per second rental for 3 hours is being connected. Then we return to our website and open the pool statistics section again. I remind you once more that it is useful to connect to the Telegram bot in order to track the results directly in Telegram. Now we enter our wallet address and check the statistics. At the moment, the miner running through Chrome is displayed here. Below it, we can see the rented equipment, its start date, and the average hash rate. You can also see how many hashes with 15 leading zeros have already been found. At the moment, one such hash has been found. In general, if a hash with 19 leading zeros is found, it may potentially correspond to a Bitcoin block solution. Therefore, I invite everyone to connect, use the platform and test this solo mining pool. The costs are not very high, while users still have a chance to participate in the search for a Bitcoin block solution through this solo pool.